Let's zoom back out so that we can take a look at the entire document. We've created a link within a document. We've created a link that goes out to something other than a PDF file. The next link that I want to create will take me to another PDF file. And that's an easy link to create. I'm going to take the link tool. So what I want to do is create a link to another proposal that I've written from some text within this proposal. So here I'm going to highlight the text that I want to use as the button. And in the Create Link dialog box, I'm going to select Open a File and then choose Next. I let the appearance of this link match the previous one so that I can create a sense of unity among the links that I have on the page. The file that I'm looking for is another file that you'll find in the Lesson 7 folder of the Part 1 folder in the project files that you install to your hard drive. It's called Time to Treasure, and I'll choose Select. Now, the open preference is something important to consider. Do I want the new PDF to open in a new window, an existing window, or set by how the user has their copy of Acrobat configured? And frankly, you want to take control of that. I'm going to treat this sort of like the pop-up experience that you have on web pages when you follow a link to somebody else's website and choose New Window and click OK. Now, I'll go ahead back to the hand tool. I will click the link to test it, and it opens the second document. I'm going to just undock this document because I'm going to show you another method for doing this, which allows you not only to go to another document, but to go to a particular place in that other document. So I'll jump back to the linked proposal document. I'll open the link tool and go to Actions to edit them. One of the other things that I can do with the Actions palette while you're editing a link is to select the action and delete it, which means then I need to go ahead and add a new action. So we'll go ahead and add a new action. The action that I want is to go to a page view, and I'll click Add. Acrobat is asking me to set the link. Before I do, though, I'm going to go to the Window menu, and I'm going to jump to the other document, and I'm going to use the Zoom tool to zoom in on a specific part of the other document, and now I'm going to choose Set Link. Even though I went into a whole other document, Acrobat noticed that, and the link will work. So let's test it to make sure. We'll get the hand tool. I'll click on the link. And because I've made changes to this document, Acrobat wants to know for sure that I want to save the linked proposal PDF before closing. What that tells me is that I haven't actually set the link up to jump into a new window, so I'm going to hit Cancel because I want to edit that. Come to the link tool, select the link, double click, go back to Actions, Edit, and I'm going to open in a new window. That was what I hadn't done before. Now I've done it. We'll select OK. OK. We'll go to the hand tool, and voila. Not only do we open the other document, but we open it right to the location that we want to be when we're looking at the goals and needs, for example, for this proposal. So I'll go ahead and close this up. And now, even though I've closed it, I can still follow the link. Acrobat will open it in its own new window, and it will take me right to that information. A very handy way to create a modular design for your document, because if you suddenly need to change this text, you don't have to recombine the entire document or rewrite the entire document. All you need to do is rewrite the piece that needs to be changed, and as long as you don't change the file name or move the document, the link will work. I'll go ahead and close this.